Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new to my channel, my name is Trina and I make videos mostly about beauty devices and skincare. So if you're interested in these topics, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel because I upload a new video every week. Today's video is all about two new microcurrent devices from FOREO, the Bear and the Bear Mini. You guys know how obsessed I am with microcurrent, so when FOREO reached out and asked to sponsor a video on my channel about these devices, I said yes immediately because I'm so excited to test any microcurrent device, and FOREO is an amazing brand with so many beauty tools and so many beauty devices that I know all of you guys love so much. I wanted to get these and share my review with you so that you could consider it when you're looking for new microcurrent devices to purchase. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know I do have a private Facebook community all about beauty devices. I would love for you to join me there because we have really great conversations all about all the beauty devices on the market and we help each other out. And I also have an Instagram page where I upload a lot of content that I don't upload here on my YouTube channel, so I would love it if you could follow me there as well. Alright, so let's get right into this video. The one thing that I say right off the bat about these devices is they're so much fun. I think that microcurrent can be a little bit intimidating, it can be a little bit daunting, and you know, FOREO is such a great brand and they're known for their amazing beauty tools and skincare devices, and these are just so fun to use and they work. And really the main differences for these tools compared to other ones on the market are that they have pulsating technology. These devices pulsate, which is really enhancing the microcurrent experience. And then the second main difference is that the routines are really quick. If you're time starved but you still want the benefits of microcurrent, these only take a couple of minutes to do the whole routine. They have an app that you can follow along on your smartphone. They're going to be uploading many more routines in the future, but the ones I'm going to show you today are 2 minutes and 2.5 minutes. And then the third difference is the price point. When you compare this to the NuFACE Trinity, these are much cheaper. The NuFACE Trinity is $325 on the NuFACE website. The Bear is $299 and the Bear Mini is $199. So it does have a more attainable price point. And another difference about these tools here is they feature anti-shock technology. I know that the NuFACE is known to zing your face a little bit here and there, and people are nervous about that and they find it uncomfortable. Well, these tools are built in with an anti-shock technology, so you don't have to worry about that. And what's really cool too is as you move the device around your face, it can sense how your skin is reacting to it and it can lower the intensity or lower the pulsation as needed. So it's a smart device. I think that's really cool. You'll notice as you're working the device like around the thinner parts of your face, like your forehead or your neck, that it does feel a little bit different because it's adjusting to your specific face. I think that's just a really cool feature and no other devices that I've seen have that technology. And then I know you guys are all going to be asking me in the comments, what is the intensity or microamps of these devices, so I'm going to go ahead and put it out there right now that the FOREO actually gives different measurements for these tools. I'm actually going to be doing another video to compare the FOREO Bear to the NuFACE Trinity. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the little notification bell so you find out when that video goes live, because that's going to be a lot of fun. So I know that most of you are very familiar with microcurrent, but just in case somebody's here and they're not super familiar with microcurrent, microcurrent is an electrical current that activates, tightens, and tones your facial muscles. It's increasing ATP, which is cellular energy, and it's making your skin look more youthful and it's making your skin look more glowy, and there really is such a thing as the microcurrent glow. And you know, it does take time to see the results of using a microcurrent device. It's like going to the gym. You need to build the muscles over time and be really consistent with it, but right away, like from the first time you use a microcurrent device, you're gonna see that microcurrent glow. You know, people notice. They'll say like, wow, your skin looks amazing, and you're like, it's the microcurrent. So if you're familiar with microcurrent, you already know, and if you don't know, once you try these out, you'll know. I am going to be doing a full tutorial of the Bear and the Bear Mini today. I'm going to be showing you how to use it with a routine that's in the app already. I'm going to show you how all of that works. But before I do that, I just wanted to talk you through more of the features and more of the reasons why I love these tools and talk you through who I think that they're good for. So the bigger one, the Bear, this is for a full facial treatment. You do your face and your neck. And the Mini is for shorter targeted treatment. So around the eye, around the lip. I love how compact they are. Like this one would be so easy to travel with. You could just put it in the little carrying case so that your face is always looking lifted and youthful and glowing no matter where you go. I think these devices are really fun to use. They're not complicated. They're easy to hold. They're just really easy to work into anyone's routine. You could do it day or night. If you have a couple of minutes, you can get it done. So that's why I really do like these devices. What's really cool about the pulsations that you feel when you're using these devices is they help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. As you're working the device across your face, the pulsations are helping to relax wrinkle-prone areas so that you'll get the smoothing effect of fine lines and wrinkles. And they're also helping to improve blood flow, they're reducing puffiness, and eliminating dark circles. A lot of you ask about under eye circles, so this is definitely going to help with that. So it's really just a different way to use a microcurrent device because you're getting the electrical current of the microcurrent, and then you're also getting those pulsations for that added benefit, that added anti-aging benefit. It really does make your skin look more youthful and glowing. And you guys, these devices are so fast to use, you could use them every single day. If you have 2 or 3 minutes a day, you could use this microcurrent device every day. I think these devices are really great for somebody who's maybe a little bit younger that's looking to maintain how their face looks or get that microcurrent glow and prevent deeper wrinkles from forming. I think it's going to be harder to see heavily corrective results from devices like this. But like me, like I use my other microcurrent devices and it takes like 30 minutes and I'll do that every other week, and I'm using radio frequency, I'm using all these other devices, and these devices are great if you're that type of microcurrent user as touch-ups. So maybe every other week I'm spending 30 to 40 minutes with my other devices, really spending the time on the routine. These are so great for just a touch-up. You notice around your face, like I get like jowly, like I feel like it starts to drop here. I could grab the device and just work that area for like 2 minutes and I'm done. I don't have to get the device contraption out and the mirrors and the gels and all that. And yes, you do have to use a gel. They have their serum product that you use with these devices, but it's really easy to use. It's just a pump, like a serum. You take a pump out, spread it on the area, and then you can just use the device. So for me, like today I actually woke up and I thought that my under eye circles were looking really dark. So you could just grab the mini and just like work under your eye for like a couple minutes and then you're done, and you don't have to worry about doing the whole routine. So I think this is great for a standalone microcurrent device if you're just getting started, or it can be great for maintenance and just be a part of your skincare device routine. Because I know a lot of us have a lot of devices. I know I use LED, microcurrent, I use radio frequency, I just started doing microneedling and microstamping. So all of us are doing all these different devices, and I think these can fit into anyone's beauty device routine. That's it for the overview. Let's get right into the tutorial. We're gonna start out with the FOREO Bear. And when you first get the device, you do need to charge it up for just a little while. It comes with a USB charger here. You just plug it in here, and then you just plug in the USB to charge it up. And while it's charging and when you're not using it, it comes with this cute little stand so that the device can be upright when it's charging and when you're storing it for when you're not using it. That's really cute. You hit start and then it's downloading the treatment right now that we're gonna do. And while we're doing that, I wanna let you know, just like with any microcurrent device, I have clean, dry skin. I have been making sure to drink lots of water to stay hydrated. To have hydrated skin is key to getting the best microcurrent experience. So make sure you're hydrated. And then the FOREO does come with their serum, which is their conductivity serum that I will be putting on my face. But I like to start with really hydrated skin. So I'm gonna prep my skin with some of this hyaluronic acid spray. I'm going to apply some hyaluronic acid, and I always like to start with damp skin because hyaluronic acid needs water to hold on to, because it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. I like to give it some water to hold on to. So I'm going to just take some of this. I'm going to just hydrate my skin, my neck. It feels so good. Since this is a smart device, you can use your smartphone app to follow along, and that's what I recommend, especially the first time that you're using it. You don't have to use the app, but I think it's just a really great way to get started and to follow along. We're gonna hit start. You have the option of turning on or off the T-sonic pulsation. I always want that to be on because I think that's one of the benefits of the FOREO Bear, is that you have that pulsation option. So absolutely, I'm gonna keep that on. And then you have options to control the strength of the microcurrent from 5 all the way up to 25. I'm gonna do 25 because I'm going for it. If you're just starting out, you could start in the middle where it recommends at 15, but I'm going to 25. So now I'm gonna hit start. It counts down and it says, now it's time to put on the conductivity serum. I'm gonna put on some of the serum. And in general, you can put the serum in the place that you're starting the treatment. I'm just gonna put it all over right now, and I can add more as I go if I need it. And I always like to apply it in upward sweeping motions. Okay, so we're going to start here on the cheekbone and just sweep up. You can definitely feel the pulsation, and it's so easy to follow along in the app. Just sweeping along in an upward motion, tightening and toning the muscles. And then it stops pulsating. You know it's time to move it to the next section. Now we're going to do the forehead. And we just do the forehead in 3 sections here, sweeping back and forth from side to center, getting those 11s to the other side, from side to center, including the 11s to the side. And then it stops pulsating for a moment, so you know it's time to move on to the next section, this cheekbone area. And next is the neck area on the sides. And remember, you guys, when you're doing the neck area, just like with any microcurrent device, keep it away from the throat and the thyroid area, just doing the sides of the neck. And don't do it on your chest area. You don't want to be using microcurrent near your heart. And now we're going to do the chin and jaw area. Just sweep it out. This couldn't be easier, you guys. It's such an easy tool to use. It's an easy tool to follow. It's easy to follow the app. And then we're going to the other side here. And that's it, you guys, we're done. How easy is that? It's such an easy routine. And what's really cool about it is that it's a smart device, like I said before, so it will adjust the intensity as needed based on how your skin is responding to the device. So, you know, the skin is thinner on your forehead area, so as you're using the device on your forehead, it's programmed to adjust as needed. So perhaps it's going to be a little stronger where you've got a little bit more thickness, like your cheekbone, or your jawline here. In general, your neck and your forehead are a little bit thinner, so the device will adjust, so you're not going to get shocked. It's going to be a very comfortable experience. So that's the Bear. Like I said before, if you don't have a lot of time, this is such a great device to get you started with microcurrent. It's also a great device to use throughout the week in between your longer treatments that you're doing with your other devices. Or even if you want to spend a little bit more time with the Bear, you absolutely could do the routine a few times in a row if you wanted to get more benefits, but this is just such a great, quick and easy way to get all the benefits of microcurrent. Now let's do the Bear Mini. The Bear Mini is so cute. So all you have to do, again, is use the app and you select the Bear Mini in your app, you press and hold it to connect it through Bluetooth, and then start the treatment. Now the Bear Mini also has the option to turn on or off the T-sonic pulsation. Of course, I'm going to have it on. You can turn it off if you want. And it goes from 5 to 10 to 15 intensity. And I'm going to do 15, obviously, because I always want the highest intensity I can get. But you can start at 5 or 10 if it's your first time and work your way up to 15 if you'd like. And it's telling me to put some gel on. So, of course, I'm going to put some of the serum on. Make sure that my face is nice and coated. Here we go. Now this is the first area, is the lip area, and we're just moving it, gliding it across the lip area. This is awesome, you guys, because I have some mascony right now and I can feel it like zinging the mascony. That's so awesome. Then we are going to do the bottom of the lip here to work these lip muscles. Then it stops pulsating when it's time to turn it to the next area. Oh, and this is pulsating a lot faster, probably because the skin is thicker in this area, so it automatically adjusts. And that's just so cool that you don't need to worry about turning up or down the pulsation because it automatically handles it, which just makes it a no-brainer. It makes it so easy to use. And then it stops pulsating and it's time to move it to the next section here. And that's it. You're done. That is so amazing how quick it is. You're done with a mini microcurrent treatment. So the full routine for this one is 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and the full routine for this one is 2 minutes. That's incredible. If you're really time-starved, but you want to do microcurrent at home, these devices are so easy to use, they're so quick to use, and you could probably use them every single day if you can just find like 2 minutes every day. Before bed or when you wake up in the morning, just work these tools into your routine. I think they're just so much fun to use, so easy, so effortless to get that microcurrent benefit. You don't have to use the app. If you get used to using it and you are familiar with how to use it and you don't want to follow along with the app, all you have to do is push the button here to turn it on. There's a light that lights up. That's 5 level intensity. You can go 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 is the highest level intensity, and that's what I would want to use. And then if you want to turn off the pulsation, you can tap it twice. It toggles the pulsation on and off, so I'm going to double tap it again because I definitely want the pulsation on, and then that's it. And then you just work the device across your face. And this is great if you want to spend more time on certain areas of your face. For example, say I wanted to do my hooded eyes. I could take the device and I could just push and hold up on my eye area. Push and hold. Push and hold. And then when you do it like this, you don't get the guided routine, like it doesn't stop pulsing to tell you to move to the next section. And this is great if you want to spend some time on some areas maybe that aren't in the app, or you want to spend more time like on your hooded eye area like I always like to do. And then it turned off. So I'm going to turn it on again because I want to keep going. See, now we have a little bit of symmetry here. Both the brows are lifted a little bit to lift my hooded eyes a little bit. And then when you're done using it, you can just push and hold the button down if you don't want to wait for it to finish the timer. If you're done, you can just turn it off. Same thing goes with the mini, so you can push it down to turn it on, and then it will start at the first level of intensity, and then you can press it again to get to the highest level, which is 15 for this device. It just starts pulsing as soon as you put it on your face. If you double tap it, it will turn off the pulsation. And I always want the pulsation, so I double tap it again, and then when I touch my skin, the pulsation turns on. I think that's amazing. Like, that's why I want to use this device, because of the pulsation. And then you can press and hold to turn it off. Once you charge these devices, you can use them up to 90 times. So you charge them once, and then you can really just leave them on their stand because they're going to be good to go for many uses. And I just think these devices couldn't be easier. Once you're done, you have the gel on your face, and I generally like to wash off the gel from my face and my neck and then move on to my regular skincare routine. It's up to you if you want to leave the gel on. I generally don't like to leave it on. That is it for my review today of the FOREO Bear and the FOREO Bear Mini. I would love to know in the comments below, which one do you think you want to try? And remember, I left a link down in the description if you want to go to the website and learn more about these devices or you want to shop them. I'll also leave links to the Timeless products that I used in this video. And I'll also leave a link to the Serum if you want to go check this out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share it with a friend if you think they'd find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do upload a new video every week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!